This teaching resource supports the scheme Van Gogh Alive. In this session we'll be exploring the piece Starry Night, so we'll be looking at the specific aspects of that painting such as the stars, the moon and the trees, and also the swirling patterns. We'll be doing that by looking at different movements such as turns, twists, circular movement, stretching and jumping.
Within the warm-up, reference the swirling patterns in the background of the painting when finding different ways of circling the arms. Ask the students to imagine that they are painting the space around them and get them to explore different ways that they can draw circles. Make sure that you increase the speed and repetitions to create an effective warm-up. We will be adding to the warm-up each week, so make sure that this task is clearly explained. Other movement explorations include growing up like the trees in the painting or twisting down to the ground. When going to the ground, for safe practice, make sure that the students' hands are flat on the floor to help them roll down softly, and make sure that they bend their knees as they're going down. The next exploration is using elevation to represent the stars in the painting. This includes jumping from 2 feet to 2 feet, 2 feet to 1 foot, 1 foot to 2 feet, or 1 foot to 1 foot, or also known as a hop. Here you can ask the children to imagine that the floor is their canvas and they're painting with their feet. During the composing section of the session, encourage the students to find different ways of travelling the movement that they have explored, or different ways of transitioning between the different movements that they have. An extension could also be finding different ways of changing the levels of the movement they've explored, such as bringing it down to the floor or to medium or high levels.